The cow said,
Woo, woo, woo.
and the hen said, cluck. Hiss said the goose, and quack said the duck.
Duck.
Neigh said the
Lazy.
horse. Wink said the hog. Baa said the
Sheep.
and woof said the
Ruffly.
and both the cats began to meow. We can't let them steal the fine prize cow.
Puppy.
Yeah. Over the page? Yeah. But oh, look at the chicks, I didn't notice them. But the ladybird had a good idea and she whispered it. Yeah, she whispered into